Welcome to the Cooler Reports. I'm going to introduce the newest gondola shelving displays. And as you can see, these pretty big units. Let's take a look at the overall sizes. These are double-side units first. The overall length will be 46 inches. And the overall height will be 88.5 inches. And for this board, display board, it will be 37 inches in the length and the 20 inches in the depth. Also, you can see they have an LED lights on top of it for the display, and this for the price tags. And they also have a shelvings. You can adjust it, and you can change a little bit of angle on each of the shelvings, make it climb it or going down. And also we have the single side gondola shelvings on the other side. As you can see, this is single side gondola shelvings, and let's take a look at the overall size for these units. Include the ending cap. It will be about like 49.5 inches. And the depth will be 20 inches. Overall height is about 88.5 inches. And as you can see, they have LED lights on top of the units, a single side, and plastic price tags right here. And same, the shelvings can adjusting on each of the levels. And if you have more questions, just contact with us. Thank you for watching.